What an incredible week it has been. Guys, it is Friday, and honestly, you need to pat yourselves on the back. Like, this is one of the best performing weeks during the live trading environment every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and even some of my own performance this week. And I'm just so excited. Guys, let's go over everything right now in this video. I'm going to show you my performance this week, the P&L charts, everything, so you know there's transparency. And I'm also going to go over the live performance on how it went this week as well. And you know what? Leave a comment below if you were one of the people that just crushed it. Like, if you think I did okay this week, I had people do what I did in a whole week, almost in a single day. Just absolutely nuts. So let's just dive into this real quick. Let's show you guys my personal P&L for this week. I am trading 5 50K accounts through Take Profit Trader and have an amazing blast with this. You guys, this week per account ended up doing about $2,119.50. Now let's just break this down real quick so you guys can see this. The number of trades, 13. Number of winning trades, 10. Ended up losing 3. You know, if you're going to have losers, which you're going to have losers, you know, no one is 100% right. If you follow anyone on YouTube or anywhere that's like, hey, I have a 100% win rate, I don't lose, run away, right? And the best part with this is you guys actually saw every trade that I did this week recorded live and posted here on YouTube. You know, that's the transparency I want. So let's take a look at this. These were the couple trades that I ended up losing. You know, the first one here, let's take a look. This was about $160. And then I did take a bigger one here of $310. Now, what you'll look at though, you look at a trade like this, you're like, oh, that was $160. Well, guess what happened right afterwards? 445. 310, right afterwards, 450. This is where, and I'm going to show you guys in a second on the charts how I'm doing this. So if you're like, okay, this is only a 76% win rate on here. Is that anything to write home about, to post on the fridge wall? No, not really, right? But you know what? It's not bad. And you know, the more green we can see, the better. This is all the trades taken down here if you guys want a timestamp of this. But that is it per account. So in total, we're looking at just over 10,000 for the week. You know, if you want to get an exact amount, it looks like to be about 10,597.50. So really good. But enough of me. Like, forget what I'm doing. I'm going to go over the charts here real quick, kind of describe what I'm looking at, and then I'm going to jump over into the live trading environment and show you guys screenshots, literal screenshots from what happened just this week alone. But something that can help you guys with trading. And I want to slow this down here for a second. It is very possible to look at a trending market or a non-trending market and get a good understanding when you can overall understand the simple metrics that make up the overall moves, right? So when you're getting these sell signals or these buy signals throughout the market like this, I want you to look at a couple things to give you the best analysis to jump into these positions, right? If you end up getting a sell signal or buy signal and you're wanting to jump in, I want you to make sure the profit wave number one is stacked in the direction that you're heading. So what do I mean by that? What I mean is your profit wave, when going short, I want your brighter color to be on the bottom, more faint on the top, right? This is just showing that there's a big, strong momentum trend in that direction, in that it can keep flowing. Now, opposite, you know, when you're going long, I want your profit wave to be stacked brighter to the top, more faint on the bottom. Just a little simple trick to use. Now, the background color is really important. If you guys are using, TradingView, you can have this as like red and green. On NinjaTrader, I just has black and green just so the colors match up better. Black means red and bearish. If this is black, you're going short. If this is green, you're going long. If this is black, short, green, long, short. Guys, I'm not kidding. I literally have people that just go sell when it's black, buy when it's green. Can you make money? Yes. I want you to take it a step further and actually look at these metrics a bit more in detail. Now, with that, you're also going to notice these dots on the bottom here. This is going to overall tell you the overall trend if it's still in combination together, meaning an order stacked. So I know that kind of sounds funky, but what this means is if this is red, it means your profit wave is stacked in the correct order and you can keep holding these trends longer. So same thing with green. That's when you can hold it longer. Red, hold it longer. Now, overall, on the bottom, you're going to show that this is either money, institutional funds that are either flowing in or out of the market. So if you were to think of this for a second, if you have money that's flowing out, are you going long? No, we want to be going short. We want to be looking to go down. If money's flowing in, do we want to be going short? No, we want to be looking to go long. So if you can couple these three things together, the background, the trend, and also the overall money flow with this, and do something as simple, I say simple too, red all the way down, go short. Green go long. Red, go short. That is how I'm able to do this. Now, what I've been doing this last week, which I've been trying to do, and I made a dedicated, I was like, guys, I do a call free every first and third Friday of the month. I'll show you guys that in a second. But I said, guys, I'm trying to hold trades longer. One of the things that I'm trying to work at myself as being a mentor to thousands of people here on YouTube is I'm trying to hold trades longer. And I ended up pulling out a 100-point trade the other day. And it just felt so good. And the way I was able to do it was following this profit wave, but not being afraid for a slight little pullback into the profit wave first. Now, something you can do too is if you're two things, time frames. Let's just go over that real quick. And then I'm going to show you guys the actual live results from the trading group this week. I love the 3-minute time frame to get an overall picture of how is the market looking, right? Then once you end up draw out your highs and your lows, go down to a 1-minute time frame if you're looking to scalp and take out quick trades. If you are someone who has more time, let's just say about an hour to hour and a half in the morning, I want you to go to the 3-minute time frame to get a bigger picture. Trade with 5 micros to start, right? 50K accounts should be trading with 5 micros to start. Once you get to $1,500, which is halfway through to the buffer to get to pro, you can go to 10 micros and you can double up because you've earned the right to do so. That is how I'm trading. Another rule of thumb, real quick, have a stop loss. Never move your stop loss. If you move your stop loss, it better be in the direction of your trade or to break even as fast as possible when you see a physical gap between your entry and your profit target. Now, sometimes I'll trade, which you guys have seen, and I won't even have a profit target. I'll just trail the stop. That is how trading needs to be done. Guys, look at this real quick. Absolutely nuts and killer. This is on the 9th. This is in a live environment with Ron, who teaches and has students in live market condition using these metrics, showing how to scalp out in the market. Now, this day alone, this was 4 trades that ended up taking 3 winners and 1 loss. Absolutely incredible. Then he shoots me this screenshot. This was just yesterday. Crushed it. Like, crushed it. 5 wins, 1 loss, $4,400. $4,400 in a single day on one single account. I didn't get another one from a Ralph. Ralph's like, I can do more than that. The guy pulled like almost $6,000 in a single day. And all of this is done live right in front of you. So when you watch my videos here on YouTube and you're like, hey, Justin, I understand what you're doing. You're looking in for this. You're looking for doji candles. You're looking for breaks. You're playing the consolidation. You're drawing out your boxes. Well, if you want to see it done live, this is what Ron does Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So take a look at this real quick, guys. I'm going to shoot over here. It's very important for you guys to know the things that I am giving back from now until the end of this year because I want you guys to have the best experience you possibly can with trading futures. Come this next year, starting January 1st, I'm trying to make some huge changes, not only with the setup that we have here on YouTube, but to give you guys the best quality education I possibly can. Now, I messed up on this. And I didn't take this down on Black Friday. So this is still going to be good till the end of the year. This is on me. I messed up. What I do want you guys to know, though, is I put my money where my mouth is, and I want you guys to be successful. I'm just going to say that like straight up. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm trying to be like one of the most humble YouTube people out there, and I just want to help. So the way that I do this is Take Profit Trader has been the best experience that I've seen because you can do daily payouts, and it's been just a really good experience. Let's just be honest. Let's just say that. When you go over to Take Profit Trader and you join the challenge that I have of doing 5 50K accounts, when you do that, type in the promo code MyFutureSuccess or just use this link that'll be in the bottom of this video. Shoot me a screenshot and I will add you on to a free call that I do every first and third Friday of the month for about an hour and a half long with 30 other pro traders and 2 of actually some of the best traders I've ever met that literally sent me a screenshot the other day of $56,000 in a day. I know it sounds weird. People aren't going to believe me. I sent them the screenshot. They're like, yeah, you weren't kidding. Guys, the quality on these calls that I give for free, I understand you guys are making an investment with Take Profit, and honestly, they're just so good. I do get a slight kickback from Take Profit for being an affiliate. So you know what? I say I'm going to take all that money and more, and I'm going to give it back to you guys. So what I mean by that is when you shoot this screenshot, not only are you getting on these calls the first and third Friday for free, I will give you a coupon code that goes over here to the live trading environments every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for an entire month that drops this down 99%. So this is instead of 99, this is going to be 99 cents for an entire month, 12 live trading sessions on me. That's it. No strings attached, nothing. You could go in. If it's not for you after the first month, doesn't matter. If you're like, you know what, I'm learning so much in this. This is such a great environment. I'm going to stay on. Go for it. No hurt feelings at all. I just want to give back. I'm in a giving back mood. This is honestly my favorite time of year, you guys. Like this holiday season, when we get from that Thanksgiving time to Christmas to New Year's, it is just fun, family, friends, and wanting to give back. I just love it. My brother, if you guys, I don't know if you follow crypto or anything, Trade Confident, my brother, Travis Martin, who's actually my twin brother, he runs a YouTube channel here as well. Super cool and giving back. We're literally going out to a big sushi house this evening. He's paying for everything for friends and family, and we're literally going to have a sushi roll eating competition. Like, you know what? That's how fun sometimes life needs to be. And I understand that if you are blessed with certain things in life, giving back is the number one thing possible. And that's what I try to do here with you guys to show you that I'm real. I show you my own accounts. I show you the wins, the losses, everything that you should actually honestly be able to see from a YouTuber, and every trade that I do recorded live to give you the best education because I want you to get your 5 accounts to pro to payout. And I have a lot of traders, and I'll make this really quick and I'll wrap this up. They say, Justin, how can I do this? I want to do what you're doing. I want to see the payouts like you're doing as well. And so many others, like a $6,000 day yesterday from Ron. And I say, start slow, get with a team that really honestly cares about you. And I have guys that just trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, don't even trade Monday or Friday. They're like, Justin, I love what Ron's doing so much. He does everything in such a calm, easy manner. Like, I know I can be kind of crazy sometimes and I just like super high energy. And I love that for YouTube because that's just my personality. You know, it's like a caged lion. Like sometimes I just want to be like, yeah, let's go, baby. But, Ron kind of slows things down really bit and is a great trader. I think he has over probably close to a 90% win rate this month that he showed me the other day. And it's nice to be able to do it in a live environment and to see so many people have great success with it. You know, Something else that's really nice is on this page, it's really cool to see some of the profits on here that I end up loading up just recently. These are actually single day profits of people that are in this live environment. And, when you're over here too, I want you guys to take a look at reviews. Like, let reviews speak. Don't let me speak for anything, but go over here and take a look. I mean, if you want to read a book, this is probably an incredible review, but take a look at the 5-star reviews that have come through over here. And it's just really neat to see. So I just want to end this call saying thank you guys. Thank you, Ron, for leading such a great trading group this week and weeks in the past. Greg, thank you so much for the email support that you provide to everyone on my team. And the couple pro traders that are on the calls, Steven, shout out real quick. AJ, shout out real quick. You guys are family. Thank you so much. The education that I'm learning, not only myself, but what we're able to give to hundreds, if not thousands of people is so valuable, extremely valuable. I wish we had something like what we're trying to do right now when I first started trading about 10 years ago, 10 to 15 years ago. It would have fast tracked my career so much. But you know what? I'm staying humble and be like, you know what? Okay, this is my time now to be able to give back and to show you guys it's possible. So I want you guys to go into this weekend feeling extremely happy. And if you want to be with a team that truly cares, we're here. Send me an email directly. It'll go to Greg. And if you want to be like, hey, I want to talk to Justin directly, he'll forward it over to me and I'll respond back to you right away. That is the level of communication, customer service that I want you to have with us as well. So, guys, take care. Have an amazing weekend. Can you guys do that for me? Have an amazing weekend. And let's come back next week and absolutely crush it even better than we did this week. All right, guys, take care. God bless.